Hey y'all, welcome to my channel or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. All right, guys, so today's video, this is a hidden gems video. I love these videos. You guys seem to like these videos as well. So let's jump right in. Hey, look what we found. Oh my goodness. I found the cherry scented made by Be Pure makeup at the Dollar Tree, you guys. This is so viral right now. Okay, guys, I found the cherry scented makeup at the Dollar Tree. Now, this is made by Be Pure. I was so excited to find this. This has actually gone viral over on TikTok, so I got really excited when I found it because they had just put it out, so it was like there was plenty of it. So I grabbed one of each. I've got the cherry scented highlighter and blush. I've also got the cherry scented eyeshadow palette, and we have the cherry scented lip gloss. Too stinking cool. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. Let's get this out and see if it actually smells like cherries. Okay, guys, so we've got to talk about this cherry scented makeup from the Dollar Tree. This has gone so viral over on TikTok, and I was so excited to find it. I just wanted to find one of them. I ended up finding all three pieces to this set. We're gonna open them up right now, see what it smells like, check it out a little bit, and go from there. So let's try out the blush and highlighter mix. This is so cute. It's got the little cherries on it. The packaging is everything, you guys. The packaging is just too stinking cute. Yeah, and this is all made by Be Pure. Now it is small, it's a little small, but let's see. I'm gonna swatch it like on my arm here. We'll get a little bit of the highlight. Can you see that? Okay, let's get a little of the blush. Pretty. It's actually really pretty. It's not as shimmery as I thought it was gonna be, but it's a pretty color. It's a pretty color. But it does not smell like cherries. I don't smell anything. Okay, let's try the lip gloss. Let's try out the lip gloss. Now that smells like cherries. Yeah. The lip gloss definitely smells like cherries. It's not real strong, but it does have like an artificial cherry smell to it. Okay, last one. Let's try out the eyeshadow palette, which once again, I think is really pretty. I like these colors. I will definitely be using this. I don't smell anything, you guys. I don't smell anything. Let's swatch a little. Those are the two colors. And then you've got the like highlight colors. Really pretty. And then you've got this one. Just a little bit lighter. So gorgeous colors, but I don't smell cherries. I'm sorry, I don't. I do not smell cherries in the blush highlighter or the eyeshadow palette. I just don't. The lip gloss, it's pretty. I already had a little bit of lipstick on, so I don't know how it looks, you know, obviously by itself, but it feels good on my lips. It's nice and shiny. I do like that about it. That's cool. But as far as smelling like cherries, guys, it's, I think they missed the mark on that one. Okay, so I always check the Dollar Tree's cleaning supplies aisle. Like, you never know what you are going to find. This last time I was there, they had an entire like set of awesome products. They had an all-purpose cleaner. They had a kitchen cleaner. They had a bathroom cleaner. They had one for wood. I've never seen one for wood there before, but it was just neat that they had all the different ones. Then over in the crafting section, they had a lot of new cutouts and just different stuff. But these chunky ones are what I thought was really neat because these are pretty expensive over at Hobby Lobby. Oh my word. Have y'all seen this little setup by Bay Pure in the Dollar Tree? It is called the Bridal Shop, and it has got some of the cutest little stuff in it. It's got little compact mirrors that say Team Bride, little emergency wedding day kits. It has barrettes that say Bride. There are barrettes that say Team Bride. There are diamond-shaped beauty blenders. There's little bags that say I do. Just lots of different really, really cute stuff. And then these little hairbrushes. Look at these. Team Bride. Too cute. Y'all, Bay Pure is just blowing up all over Dollar Tree. I am seeing them every single section of Dollar Tree. Bay Pure has an item in it. But anyways, I found this massager in there for $1.25. All right, guys. What about the revitalizing body massager from Bay Pure at the Dollar Tree, you guys? Like, what about this? $1.25 for a body massager? Are you kidding me? Now, they had these out at Mother's Day. That's when I found this, during the Mother's Day time. But they still had several of them. So you can probably still find this in your Dollar Tree. But for $1.25, I thought this was pretty cool. It says it takes 3 AAA batteries. So I'm going to pop some batteries in this dude, and we are going to see what it does. Very cool. Okay. You have to push it in for it to vibrate. Pretty cool for $1.25, you guys. Go check this out. Okay, so also when I found the massager, I found a facial massager. It was a rose quartz facial massager. They had the rose quartz. They also had a stainless steel. And then they had another one that they called just a stainless steel. But it had like little balls on it. It was made a little differently. Okay, so also during I almost said Valentine's. During Mother's Day, I found the rose quartz vibrating facial massager. Also made by Bay Pure, you guys. So let's check this out. I can't get it to work, you guys. It's nice. I mean, it looks nice, but I cannot get it to work. And I know my batteries are good, so I got a dud. Y'all, I found the fillable bath sponges. These are silicone. They're fantastic. They sell them at Five Below for $5. Okay, guys, what about this little soap buddy? This is a fillable bath brush by Spa April, and I found it at the Dollar Tree. I think this is so neat, you guys, because you fill it up with your favorite like body soap, body wash, whatever, and then obviously you've got the little silicone here to wash your body with. It's got I just think this is so neat. Look, it's even got a little cute face on the front of it. How stinking cute is this? Guys, I think I'm really gonna like this. I'm serious. So you just lift the little lid here, fill it up with your favorite soap, body wash, pop that dude back on, and then wash your body. How cool is this, y'all? I love this. I think I'm going to really, really like this. I like silicone sponges for the shower, so I really think I'm going to like this. Okay, so I found the Compare to EOS Super Smooth Shave Cream at the Dollar Tree. I tried it, and I did not like it. I didn't think it was much pumpkin to it, so I don't know. Also, I found the LED lanterns at the Dollar Tree. How nice is this, you guys? This is a nice lantern. Hello. Like, I'm very shocked at some of the things that the Dollar Tree has. For instance, a mini mandolin slicer. What? Or a 3-in-1 avocado tool. Like, where is Dollar Tree coming up with these super nice kitchen utensils or like kitchen gadgets? I'm all for it, but where are they finding this stuff? This is a 3-in-1 melon tool. Nice. This is nice stuff, you guys. If you see this, grab this. This will be perfect, like housewarming gifts. Okay, never have I ever seen anything like this at the Dollar Tree, you guys. I can't pronounce the name, this Joy, I guess it's Joy. Anyways, mini mandolin slicer. How cool is this? Not only did I find that, but I also found this. It is a 3-in-1 avocado tool. Like, how cool is this thing, for heaven's sakes? Now, I don't have any avocados to try this one out with at the moment, but we're going to slice up some potatoes with this one. I'm going to do some fried potatoes later for supper, so we're going to use this to slice up a couple potatoes, and we're just going to see how sharp it is, how well it works, if it is worth the money. All right, so I washed it first. Get it dried off good. I washed it. I've got my potatoes. All right, so you're going to take this and stab it into your potato so that it stays, and then you just slice. Oh, wow, guys. I don't know. It slices for sure. Like, it is definitely slicing, but guys, it's super duper thin. That's dangerous. That's actually dangerous. I don't know about this thing. Look at how thin they are. You can see through them. I don't know. Maybe if you were doing onions, maybe it would be good, but not for a potato, for sure. Look at these. This is the Real Techniques sponges. Face sponge. Miracle mixing sponge. Yeah, very cool. Okay, check this out. 8 lip jellies for $1.25. What? And they also have these. Okay, so I'm doing a voiceover, so my voice is not going to match my mouth moving in this video. But I was trying to tell you guys about this lip mask while I had it on, which was completely stupid because when I went back and watched the edited version of this, I was like, oh my gosh, you can't even tell what I'm saying. Anyways, I really enjoyed this mask. It felt absolutely fantastic on. I highly recommend. Look what I just found. It's the silicone straw covers. How cute. For $1.25. You guys, look at how stinking cute these silicone straw covers are from the Dollar Tree. These are darling. Oh my goodness. 6-pack for $1.25. Now, if you get something similar to this on Amazon, you're not gonna pay $1.25, obviously, huh? So definitely grab yours at the Dollar Tree. Let's get these out of the pack and just kind of check them out. I'll get a couple straws out. We'll slide them on. And I'll just kind of show you guys how these work and what they look like. So let's check these out. Okay, so I've got my glass straws from the Dollar Tree. We got these a couple videos back. We got the glass straws. Let's see here. So I'm going to pop this on like that. And then you literally just pop it on over the top. And it keeps your drink, you know, like nothing can get down in your straw. These are a little big for these particular straws, but these are so stinking cute, you guys. Look. So you just slip it on and then it fits over the top like so. Too cute. Look at these. Guys, these are darling. Dark. Look, there's a flower, we got a little cloud, a star, the rainbow, which is my favorite, a little mermaid tail, and the star. Like, how cute are these, you guys? Grab these when you get them. When you see these, you better grab them because they are going to go fast, I promise. I've been showing you guys a lot of the hair care stuff at the Dollar Tree, but check these out. How cute are those clippies? Super cute. Enchant. Y'all, they just keep coming out with these Ziploc bags. They are the reusable sandwich bags, actually, is what they are called. But they have different designs on them, and they just have several different ones at the Dollar Tree right now. Y'all, look at how cute these candlesticks are. These are cute. And they're actually kind of, like, they're not heavy, but they're substantial. These are cute. Okay, so I just found this random bottle of Anita's acrylic all-purpose craft paint. This is made by Rust-Oleum. And I think it's $1.25. Okay, what is going on? Anita's all-purpose acrylic craft paint for $1.25 at the Dollar Tree, you guys. An 8 fluid ounce bottle of craft paint for $1.25. Unfortunately, I could not find this in like on Amazon or on Walmart.com or anything like that. I did find one on HobbyLobby.com, but it was like an old link, I think, or something, because it sent me straight to an eBay. So anyways, I could not find a compared to as far as price-wise on this, but I do believe this was a good paint at one time. This sold in Hobby Lobby stores, as a matter of fact. If you know anything about this paint, let us know in the comments section, because I don't know anything about it. I just couldn't really find anything out about it, so let us know in the comments. Y'all, I found food trays at the Dollar Tree. These are so neat. Like, if you've got a little one, these would be so fun to take, like, for a little picnic or take camping or just to have, like, at home, just as a little treat. Like, these are just a cute, cute little tray. It's got the knife and the fork and just all that. Have y'all seen the Copper Care socks at the Dollar Tree? I actually found a men's and a women's Copper Care sock. Dollar Tree is now carrying the Copper Care helps soothe aches and muscles and pains. So they have the socks now, you guys. They've got the men's and they've also got the women's. These are like copper compression socks are what these are. Let's get these out of the box and check them out. Nice. Okay. Okay. The women's are really thin, but they're super duper soft, you guys. They're really, really soft, but the women's are kind of thin. The men's are a little bit thicker, but not much. But if you have trouble with your feet or you need like a compression sock to go up your calf, these might work for you, you guys. Definitely try these out from the Dollar Tree. And if you have tried these already, please let us know in the comments section, how did the Copper Care socks work for you? Or do they help? Are they nonsense? Just let us know in the comments section, you guys. All right, guys, that is it for today. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family and subscribe. That would be awesome. Plus, hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. All right, guys, thank you so much for being with me today, and y'all have a blessed day.